Hey guys, welcome back to YUZU 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark to be testing out Bravely Default 2 for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, we're back with the YUZU emulator today, running on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. And, well, here I am. It's a Switch game. It's been a bit since I've tested the Switch game out. As you know how I do it, the videos are simply to show you how the advancements of the YUZU emulator has come along. We're running everything basically on the default settings, as you can see. And we're just going to get in some gameplay and see what happens.
Doubt, my lady. Where the light led, there he lay.
Are those voices?
Yes, we have everything default to 30 FPS, but for these games I normally do uncap the frame rate. It doesn't seem like this one is possible to do so.
This is all a little unexpected,
Oh.
I must say. But
I just came off of recording Xenia, so I'm a bit shocked here, but YUZU has some issues already. I can see there's eye glitches going on right there with her. But other than that, seems awesome. Let's get up and see if I can move around. These are RPGs, which normally take a long time to get into gameplay. I'm really hoping Bravely Default isn't one of those. Never played Bravely Default before. Always wanted to though. So we'll see how this goes. But other than that, I do see it compiling shader. Oh, whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold the fire. It seems like this one really got some graphical issues. Like I said, I just came off with Xenia, which did not have any graphical issues for a lot of the games I just tested. So it is a bit jarring to see that this one does have a lot of graphical issues. Can I skip this scene? Can I?
Me?
Whoa, okay, wait, whoa. Yeah, the face glitches.
Sure, I mean...
I didn't even realize you had voice acting in this game. Boy, I really didn't watch anything about this, did I?
What?
Okay, can I move? Yes, I can. Yeah, boy. Alright, so, other than that, though, the game seems to running on the first try, no issues.
Yeah. Thanks for letting me stay here.
Don't mention it. It's only right to help people out when they're in need.
Well, thanks all the same. So this place is called Halcyonia.
Ah.
What?
I heard you met with something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Boy, I did not expect that cutscene to be that long. I did not expect to talk to her so long. So right now, as I can tell, like I said, I normally launch the games for the first time with you all. I don't let anything build any shaders or anything like that because I want you to see it authentically for the first time, just so that you know if you could actually run this out of the box right out of the gate, or you would need to play it first to build those shaders. Some games come like that, some games aren't. This one doesn't seem too bad, even though that you have to build in the shaders, which it definitely has stutters, but not too often. And as you can see, it is running quite nicely right now. All the NPCs are out and about, and the game seems to be handling itself. I don't see any issues here. Obviously, we have been seeing the glitches with the eyes and face though, but only in cutscenes. Right now, everything seems fine. But I digress. Let's see. CPU wise, it's not really pushing the CPU, it's pushing the GPU more. But not to any extent. You could run this with something lower end. You don't need an RX-570 for this.
Gloria, thank you for joining us. I think you may have some inkling of.
But this is
why
on
I have
PC,
summoned
so
you
do you
here.
even need to?
It
Wait, this is on
concerns the
PC. Is this
future
one of the first
of
ones?
the
I don't even
royal
know at
line.
this point.
It has been 3 years now since you came here to our kingdom.
Whoa, what happened to that guy's mustache? Face. It's like it's all disappeared.
And while I can only imagine your pain at having lost your
What was back?
relative under such tragic circumstances, there comes a time when one must turn from the past and begin to look forward. Prime Minister Horton.
I've got no time for these issues. Now we are running with 16 gigabytes of RAM, so keep that in mind. Previously I only ran with 8 when I did every test up until this test. 16 here is to give me a bit better chance because YUZU is the only emulator that uses a crazy ton of RAM. Compared to RPCS3 and Xenia, this uses way too much. Like every game is basically in the 6 to 7 gig range. Alright, so we're outside, and even with this world view, everything still seems to be running quite well. Like I said, we are going to get the occasional setup for the building of shaders, but other than that, game is running. I can't complain.
Whoa.
It's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I heard it was bad, but this is something else.
You should have seen the size of the waves. They smashed absolutely everything to
A monster! Quickly, get out of here.
Everything except for those cinematics, man. It's really showing you those cinematics. Hope we're getting into a fight. I didn't even expect to get into a fight in this video, but hey, we're doing it.
Let's stay focused.
Oh, now we're even in the fights now too. The graphical glitches are there.
Guess it's my
It's weird because it's only on the character models, not even on the environment. It's just if you enjoyed the video, don't forget please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Please smash that subscribe button if you are enjoying the content. It really helps me out when my numbers go up, meaning my videos will be shown more on the internet, so I will be able to post more content. But yeah, once again, I'll see you guys next time.